Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox horizontally on your iPhone. First, you'll want to ensure your iPhone's orientation lock is disabled. You can easily find this setting in your control center by swiping down from the top right corner. Once that's off, simply open the Roblox application, choose any game you wish to play, and then rotate your iPhone to a horizontal position. This should automatically switch the display to landscape mode for an immersive experience. Next, it's important to understand that not all Roblox games are designed for landscape orientation. Some games are specifically built for portrait mode, so if a game isn't rotating, check its in-game settings for any display or orientation options. If you don't find any, it might simply be that the game itself does not support horizontal play. Don't worry, many games do, so keep exploring. Sometimes, your iPhone's general display settings can affect game orientation. Make sure your display zoom is set to the standard view, as a zoomed view can sometimes interfere with automatic rotation. If you're still facing issues, try resetting your device's display settings. A quick restart of the Roblox app itself can also often resolve minor glitches, getting you back to horizontal play in no time. Finally, to optimize your horizontal Roblox experience, remember that game compatibility is key. Explore various Roblox games, as some are much better suited for landscape mode than others. Always keep your Roblox application updated to the latest version available, as updates often include bug fixes and improved performance. Also, ensure your iPhone's operating system is up to date for the best overall gaming environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.